Moderate risk of severe weather for, hold on. Moderate risk of severe weather for Illinois, parts of Iowa, and that's about it. The areas included in moderate risk is Peoria, Illinois, Davenport, Iowa, Bloomington, Illinois, Normal, Illinois, and Malin, Illinois. There's an enhanced risk for Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, and Iowa. The places included in that is Aurora, Illinois, Joliet, Illinois, Decatur, Illinois, Champaign, Illinois, Iowa City, Iowa. Slight risk is Wisconsin, Iowa, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan, Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, and Alabama. The areas included in that is Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Illinois, Columbus, Ohio, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Nashville, Tennessee. Marginal risk for Michigan, Wisconsin, Iowa, Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York State, and West Virginia. Areas included in that is Detroit, Michigan, that's where I live, Memphis, Tennessee, Cleveland, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Akron, Ohio. So we're going to get some pretty strong storms from my area soon. Wow. We're gonna get some really strong storms. Right now, I'm in a general thunder risk today, but tomorrow I'm gonna be in a marginal, and parts of Illinois will be in a moderate. A significant severe weather outbreak is possible for portions of the middle Mississippi Valley on Saturday. The threats for stronger storms include tornadoes, a few which may be significant, large to very large hail, and severe gusts. Wow. That's crazy. So I'm in a marginal risk. Finally, we're getting some severe weather in Detroit. Finally. But moderate risk, that is insane. Wow.